What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Here we have Eargo, 55% up yesterday, which is an insane amount, and we are tapping into the supply areas. Okay, so what could we be expecting here? This is the weekly chart, so yeah, we might be considering even some more upside moves right here. Let me see my yesterday's predictions. With Eargo, my predictions were for this thing to deliver to the desired highs. He definitely did, so that's fine. Now let me just do everything right here. I would say that this is where we call lows above it. So we might look for these highs as new kind of targets that we have, and either just like this or this. So this is going to be my prediction. I'm still pretty bullish for Ergo right now, although yesterday it went up around 55%. Like, can you imagine that? Yeah, fascinating. Okay. Obviously, I'm going to be keeping you updated. Stay tuned for future videos about Ergo. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye. And keep in mind, this is not financial advice. Stay tuned and goodbye.